Hello everyone. This is Mr. Vilas Jagtap working as a assistant professor at AMF's KNMS College Satana at a Department of Zoology. Then today's I'm going to explain about the subject poultry management and topic is a poultry disease. Then there is subtopic that is the fowl pox disease. Correct? So let's see about this one diseases. That is the today's poultry disease that is the fowl pox. So let's see about the fowl pox disease. Fowl pox, sore head, either avian, diphtheria, either bird pox. That is the common names of these poultry birds. The basically this disease known as a fowl pox. Either it's known as the sore head, either avian, diphtheria, either bird's pox. Correct. Now, next one about this one disease. Fowl pox is contagious viral disease. This fowl pox basically spread through the viruses. That is the viral disease. Then next one, the birds of all age is affected by this diseases. You can see this one is picture. Head region, and that is the red in color on the top of the head, that is known as the comb. This comb showing the dark spots, that is the actual, that is the viral disease, that is the fowl pox. Get it? So this fowl pox disease can attack on the all stages of the birds from child either up to the old age one stage of the birds. Now next one, chicken and turkey are mainly affected by these diseases. Among the birds, the chicken is the most common, and another one is the turkey. Turkey also affected by the fowl pox disease. Then next one, some viral type may also affect, that is the pigeon, geese, then peasants and quails. Clear it? These birds also affect by the viral diseases, and there is mortality rate of the viral disease, that is only 1 to 2% mortality rate. What's about the mortality? Mortality means what? It's a death rate. And understand that is the what? That is the mortality. Now the incubation period 2 to 3 weeks. This viral disease incubate among the how many weeks? That is required the 2 to 3 weeks. Then next one, fowl pox is seen worldwide. Clear it? So fowl pox seen is worldwide. Worldwide means what? The disease spread throughout the world, and these types of distribution of disease, that is known as the cosmopolitan type of distribution. Clear it? Cosmopolitan distribution. The meaning of this word cosmopolitan distribution means simply the disease are spread throughout the world, either continuously found into the world. That is known as the uh, cosmopolitan type of distribution. Then next one, etiology of the viral disease. The large double standard DNA virus as an aviopoxy then belong to the family Poxyviridae. Then next one is it's enveloped, then brickled shaped virus. You can see this one is the virus shape, that is the brickle shape, and whitish in a square like structure, that is the virus, and surrounding, that is the dark portion. Understand? This one is the virus of the fowl pox. Then next one, transmission. How to transmit this disease from one bird to another bird. So let's see about the transmission of the viral disease, that is the fowl pox. First vector, that is the mosquito. Vector means what? Vector means simply the agents which are carry the disease causing pathogen, that is the known as the vector. So mosquito, you are know all of about the mosquito. Mosquito are the most common vector for the transmission of the avio pox virus. Then the virus can also be transmitted indirectly by the contaminated surface or airborne particles. If poultry house is unhealthy, either contaminated, ultimately these viruses are transmit from one bird to another bird. Then next one, contaminated water and feed. Into the poultry house, there is some feeders are available and some watering devices are available. So sometime this infected birds, that is viral infected birds, fowl pox infected birds, feed into the same kind of container, that is the watering devices and feeding devices. So some healthy birds around the this affected birds, and ultimately the disease that's transferred from affected birds to the healthy bird, that is the through the water and feed. Then next one, scale of disease, birds also transmit the disease. Correct? Scales of disease, birds also transmit the what? Transmit the disease. Then through the wounds, either vertical transmission is suspected. Understand? Vertical transmission is suspected. Clear it? This one is about the transmission of this viral disease, that is the fowl pox. Now, next one about the fowl pox, that is the clinical significance. Clear? You can see that clinical significance. Basically, you can observe the fowl pox disease among the first slide. That is the white in color bird. There is the beak, and there is side and top of the beak showing the some dark portion. Either there is growth of the some dead skin like structure, that is the actual disease of the fowl pox. Then next one, inside this another slide, that is the reddish in color, and that is the comb. Clear it? So this comb showing the some dark spots on the comb surface, that is the what, that is the fowl pox disease. So let's see about the clinical significance. Cutaneous form, dry form, and diphtheritic form, it's a wet form, and oculonasal form. This viral disease having how many form? Three form. First one is the cutaneous, second one is the diphtheritic, and third one, that is the oculonasal. So let's see that forms of the fowl pox one by one. Now first one, that is the cutaneous form. It's a dry form. You can see this one is the, it's a dry types of spots presence on the head region, around the eyes, around the beak, either on the surface of comb of the this birds. So let's see the cutaneous form. Words like growth are seen on the face, comb, either wattle and featherless part of the body. Where not feathers are present on these parts, these pimples, either dark spots, are showing the growth, that is the viral growth. Now next one, they grow readily and they yellow and later turn black and or brown lesion. First one, chicken pox showing the during the first growing stage, it's a red spot, and this red spot become convert into the yellowish part, and this later yellowish part later convert into the black, either brown in color. Clear? That is the about this dry form of the chicken pox. Then next one, after 2 to 3 weeks, the lesion dry up and scabby. Clear? This dark and brown spot after 2 to 3 weeks convert into the dry up and it's a scabby. Then next one, in some cases the lesions are limited chiefly to the feet and legs. Then cutaneous lesions on the eyelid may cause the complete closures of the one or both eye, and this form of more common than other, that is the dry form of the fowl pox, either chicken pox. Then next form of the fowl pox, that is the diphtheritic form, it's a wet form. Wet means it's a showing liquid, either viscous form. So you can see this one picture, that is the beak, upper jaw and lower jaw, and in between the beak there is presence what, tongue, and this tongue showing the some growth, that is the what, it's also chicken pox. Now White patches are slightly elevated nodule occurs inside the mouth and tongue. White patches, you can see that is the margin of the tongue. There is some white patches are present growth. That is what? That is the weight form of the fowl pox. Then the mucous membrane of mouth and esophagus are affected. Clear it? What? Which one part affected by the wet form of the fowl pox? That is the mucous membrane, and another one is the esophagus. Esophagus, what is it? It's a part of alimentary canal, which I have already explained into the previous lecture. Now, next one, the breathing may be difficult. Birds are suffering from the breathing difficulty. Means birds are showing difficulty for the inhalation, either exhalation process. Why? Because this form majorly affect on the esophagus, and esophagus is the common opening of the air as well as feed. Clear it? So that's why birds are suffering from the breathing difficulty. Clear it? Then next one, that is the third form, that is the oculonasal form. Oculonasal, what is the meaning of oculonasal? Oculo refers to related to eye, and nasal refers to the nostril. This one is the eyes, and there is at the top of eyes there is presence one spot, that is the chicken pox. And a nasal region, it means related to nostril. Sometimes this form also affect on the nostril region, so that's why this combinedly known as the oculonasal form. So the eruption occur on the opening of the eye and nose. That is the first one. Then the ear and nose may be swell, and discharges from eye and nose may be seen. There is a liquid, either watery fluid like substances are discharges from what? From the eyes of the birds and nostril of the birds during the third form of the chicken pox affected bird, that is the oculonasal form. Then the affected bird do not eat and lie ideally. The birds are not engaged into the feeding practice, and they are die immediately. Now, next one, post-mortem lesson. Whenever birds are dissect out either post-mortem, that time birds showing another symptoms. First one, the diphtheric form of the recognized by the presence of nodular hyperplasia of the mucosa of the pharynx and trachea. Where is form? There is at the pharynx, either this one is the head region, this one is the beak, this beak, upper jaw and lower jaw, and in between this pharynx region there is present some dark, sorry, white spot. That is the second form of the what? Fowl pox. Then next one, chickens which die of the diphtheric pox may be shower plug and consummate epithelium, and which dirt in the glottis and resulting in the aspirate section. Understand? This one is about the post-mortem lesion. Then diagnosis. Next one about the diagnosis of the chicken pox. How to diagnosis, either how to recognize the chicken pox. So first diagnosis, contagious lesions are characteristic. Histological examination affected by the tissue will confirm the presence of intracytoplasmic inclusion, that is the Bollinger bodies in the respiratory mucosa and skin, and PCR means polymerase chain reaction. So you have to diagnose this disease by the three method. First one is the contagious lesion. Second one is the histological examination, and third one, that is the PCR related to the DNA. Then differential diagnose. So there is three differential diagnose. First one is necrotic dermatitis and leg mites and thrust and cankers. Then next one, prevention and control. How to prevent from the fowl pox and how to control this disease into the poultry houses. So first, prevention and control measures, it's using and mild attenuated avofox at the chicken strain virus, and vaccine administered at the approximately 8 week of the age. Then Next, control measures. In some areas, broilers are routinely vaccinated against the avian pox by the subcutaneous injection at the day of old. Whenever chicks are hatched out from the eggs, that's they attempt the 1 day age old. That time, they are vaccinated by the some injection that is against work against the fowl pox. Clear? Now all out program. Then control mosquito is the major vector for the carrier of this chicken pox. So first, that is you have to control the mosquito population around the poultry house, either around the birds where you are rearing these poultry birds. Then uh, how to control this mosquito? Anti-mosquito spray. You can spray around your poultry house. That is the various kind of spray for the control of these mosquitoes. And another one is the biosecurity. Clear it? This one is the control measure. There is showing one proxy immune, that is the vaccine working against the fowl pox. You can use this vaccine that there is provided one picture. Then next one, treatment. How to treat this fowl pox? So first treatment, that is the oxytetracycline 300 milligram per gallon water for 3 days. For 3 days, you have to make a solution of the oxytetracycline, that is the 300 milligram per gallon of the water. And next one is treat the scrub with dilute iodine solution. Either next one practice, apply ointment to soften the scrub and mix 2 tablespoons of the sulfur powder with 1/2 cup Vaseline and apply daily until the lesion head. Then mix diluted iodine solute on in the flock and drinking water. Then teaspoon of the 1% iodine solution per gallon of the drinking water. Then last one, sanitize the drinking water. This one is all up about the treatments against the fowl pox. Right? So remaining diseases I will explain into the next video. If any query, any doubt, you can ask me at my WhatsApp number, that is 8551880874. Okay, thank you.